Hello you guys, today I'm going to show you how you can replace the interior lights on a 2005 Hyundai Sonata. This will work from 2002 all the way up to 2005. I believe they're all the same car. So first, the only tool you'll need is a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver. And for this one up here, all you have is this little tab right in here. You'll see it in the molding of the around the thing. You see it right there? You see right there where you have to pry in and take off the plastic shield. So what this will do, I already changed one of them as you can kind of see in there. What this will do is it will change your incandescent bulb to a bright LED bulb. I chose a kind of a different bulb from most people, but it'll work. This process is the same. So here, put in the screwdriver, pry out. It comes out easy. Pop down right there, sorry. And there it is. So in there, we have BA16, if I'm not mistaken. I'll have links in the description to the bulb size this is, but I think it's BA16. And this side, as you can see, I have this LED panel sort of thing. I didn't just replace the bulb, I put in a little adapter that goes to this panel. And I'm going to show you how to do that to the other side. So first, you want to take out the bulb. If you want to reuse this bulb, you might want to put gloves on. But yeah, just take out this bulb. To take it out, you push it in and turn it whichever way it turns. Wait a second. This is kind of hard to do. Push it in. It's kind of stuck for not being used for so long. Then it comes out. It should. Okay, there it is. I think. Yeah. Okay. It's a funny bulb. I don't like this one. I wish it was T10 or something, a more simple bulb. But there it is. Takes some working with, but I finally got it out. And I'm gonna here's the bulb, by the way. I'm gonna replacing it with this LED right here. It's a little panel, and there's the base. So you know. So I'm gonna pause the video for a second so I can take it out of the bag and everything. Okay, so this is what we have so far. Here's the light with the adapter, and this is the cover that I took off, right? So, you get this light. Well, this is the one I chose because I wanted this sort of small panel, but you can choose the actual bulb that right in here. All the LEDs are over here and stuff, but this is the one I chose, and it's a simple plug in and play. You have to make sure it works, though. If it doesn't work, what you have to do is right here, this plug, it should be red to red, black to black, but for me, I think I tested it and it didn't work red to red, black to black. This is the way it worked. So if it doesn't work for you, red to red, black to black, then you have to flip it around like I did there. So yeah. Okay, so the bulb goes in same way. You go up here. It'll focus. Sorry. Okay. Same way. It's a funny little thing in here, but you'll figure it out yourself when you get starting on this. And yeah, there you go. The bulb should be put in just like that. It went in easier than it did. To test it, let's see if it works. Click the button. There you go. It works. So you know it works. Make sure both of them work. Yep. Okay, so that's it. Now you got sticky back on here on the back, so you can tape it up there in the hole if you want to. And yeah, I'll come back to you guys once I got it all arranged in there. Okay guys, so I got it all arranged. Wasn't that hard. Tucked the wires behind there, taped it up to the top, and that's about it. Yours will, if you just chose the actual bulb without this like panel light to it, it might be easier for you, but it depends on the situation. So yeah, let's turn them both on. Both work nice and bright. What I wanted. So now next I'm gonna go to the backlights, the dome light in the back over there. Let me get rearranged in the back seat and I'll get back to you guys. I forgot one last thing before I go back there. To put the panel back on, just set it in first in there like that, first in the like two ends of the C, and then snap it in place just like that. It's very easy. All works fine. Oh wait a second. I think. Oh no, that's a problem. I'll fix that. But yeah, you guys, that's it. And yeah, let's get to the dome light in the back. So here you have the same sort of thing. You just need the screwdriver again, flat screwdriver, right? Flat screwdriver. And you go up in here, same sort of gap right in the middle. For this one, it's right in the middle. Right there, in the middle. You can see it right there, slightly, where my screwdriver is. And you just pry out, and it should pretty easily come out. And then that's what you're left with. So I already replaced it. Show you guys on. There's the difference. Okay, so now let's get to changing it. This one's very easy, easier than the front one. The bulbs are much more easier to convert. So I'm going to show you. You can already see one of the bulbs there, but I have it in the bag right here. Festoon type bulb. This is the wrong size. It's not exactly the right size, but it'll still work. Because you can see the one that's in there originally is a little bit longer. The filament one is a little bit longer than the one I put in, but it'll still work. And yeah, just search up Festoon lights if you want to find these LED. Paid $1 for like both of these. So yeah, pretty easy. You can have some gloves on if you want to protect the bulb, but I'm not using this bulb again. And take it out. Now you're left right there. And just put it in, and you have to test it. So you snap it into place, and you have to test it now. Test it, just turn it on. If it doesn't work, flip it around the other way. On, doesn't work, as you can see. It's a 50-50 chance. Turn it off, take it out. Here, take it out, flip it around, and put it right back in. Okay, now we turn it on, and it works, like expected. Very bright. They might not, I mean, they might like blind the camera, but like in person they're really bright looking. White, I didn't choose warm white. And yeah, that's it. Put the cover back on. Same procedure, just make sure you get it right, because this cover is kind of almost a perfect rectangle. So make sure you get that tab that you unscrewed from right there. There's the tab. Make sure you get it in the front of the car. So you put this in back first, and then you push in the place where you took out the tab, right? Backwards from what you did before. Test it out really quickly. There you go, perfect. And quickly I'm going to show you guys how to do the vanity lights. These ones over here in here. I already replaced them, but I'll tell you guys how to replace them if you're interested. So I'm going to go show you guys real quickly how to replace these ones in here. It's the same sort of idea. You got a little tab right here. You can see it right there. And you just have to pull up in there. Wait a second, let me get this finished. Maybe a smaller screwdriver will help you, but I'm going to show you guys really quickly. Wait a second. I'm going to do it, and then I'll come back. Okay, guys, so I just did it, and there it is. You got it. Take it off.